could be water.
Oh yes, it could be rum, it could be Hennessy, everything going. Koncert X, it could be water, yeah, it could be rum, it could be Hennessy, everything going. Why?
Wait.
Yeah, man.
Start again.
It could be water.
Listen.
It could be rum, it could be Hennessy, everything going. Koncert X, it could be water.
It could be water.
It could be rum.
Lot of rum.
It could be Hennessy, everything. When we say speed, cause 2 bottles over we.
2 bottles.
Over we hey.
3 bottles.
Over we hey.
4, 5, 6 bottles.
And the crowd is over we. Is over we. Is over we. We in Koncert X, we say. King James, tell them. Dum.
Wait. No. Have to bring that back. Have to bring it back.
How you mean?
Triniboi.
Yeah, man.
What's going on with your soul, yeah?
I good, man. Pleasant good morning.
Right.
Pleasant good morning.
Right.
Yeah.
But I have to say this.
Yeah, tell me.
Welcome to St.Maarten.
Yeah.
You understand it? I hope you're feeling better because you're
boy, yes,
sir.
Watch that.
I say this man come from a tired telling Trinidad. They say when you reach here, rum in St.Maarten free. Don't try to take advantage of it. You're going to get sick, brother. You're going to get sick, brother.
You know I feel it was the Wutup. Something called Wutup and something.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, but
King James do me wicked still kick it out one man time. I just take a little taste. Don't drink the whole thing.
You see, but God.
Yeah, but I'm a brother same way.
Yes,
but watch now.
I'm a little nephew.
Yeah.
But the same thing happened to we partner that passed, Rochi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they come here and feel are your feet. I tell you, rum free. Bungie come here, same thing. Kes come here, same thing.
Oh my word.
St.Maarten rum different, brother.
Yeah, no, different.
You can't come here. You can't play Mass and Freedom more than powder,
boy. But well, I learn. Give thanks to the soup that was delivered.
Yes,
it's Tylenol. Give me
Tylenol
and what's the next one? The Gatorade, boy.
Tylenol, Gatorade and soup.
And soup, chicken soup. It was hard to find chicken soup on the island, boy.
No, you see?
So James sent a proper,
you hear that?
A nice small container, but it was nice.
I'm glad you said that.
Yeah.
Because I've been telling them already. It's about soup alone for Carnival. When we drink rum, it's soup we want. You hear a man come from foreign and he telling you it's soup he want when he done drink rum.
They tell me onion soup. I say onion. Nah, man, I good.
Nah.
Best I go and drink the seawater. I have the onion soup. They say no. Onion soup.
So my brother.
Yeah.
Welcome to St.Maarten.
Thank you.
Welcome to Sunshine City.
Okay.
So you don't say St.Maarten again.
Okay.
It's Sunshine City.
Sunshine City, nice.
Yes, it's Sunshine City, St.Maarten.
Yeah, give thanks.
You understand? And you're bright with your colors.
Of course, no, I had to. I had to come out, I get them the little, go suave, a little unbuttoned thing,
A little unbuttoned thing and you're pretty up yourself.
How you mean? I bathe and thing before I come. I feel good today.
Yeah, the man come
I feel good.
The man come here, ladies.
I feel good.
The man nice.
Yeah, give thanks.
Nice. So, Koncert X.
Koncert X.
Where you meet this young man?
We would have been friends from, I would have say, when I did Obia, which was 2016.
Right.
We would have done shows together in Holland. And the connect was always there, and when he had reached out and said, "Look, Joocie, Koncert X, what you saying?" I said, "Of course, brother. That is. Come on, is a have to. I must be there." So
right.
Yeah, so I had to say yes, take up the phone to my brother, and he said to me, "Yo, Joocie, we want to bring you in St.Maarten. The song is huge. Let the people know who is the person behind the song."
Right.
And it's been years, man. I'm proud of my brother's progression as well.
Yes.
Doing amazing work.
That's my little nephew.
Yeah.
And for him, you see what I do, eh?
Yeah.
Because this ain't just one walk I do.
Yeah, okay.
Next walk to go to.
Okay.
You see what's on the shirt?
Right. Big up. Yeah.
But for this, I get a little 5 minutes, 10 minutes extra just for this, because I know Koncert X is tomorrow.
Yeah. Huge.
Yeah.
Huge. This is the only place to be. I don't know about whatever happening after.
No, man, this. I call it Koncert X 3.
Oh, okay. Right.
It's the third year.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
And it has elevated.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
I'm sorry that I really sorry. I kind of vex. He called me at least the MC, boy. But you see what happened? Yeah.
I know that's going on.
Yeah, but you know what happened is love alone. You know what I mean?
It's love, man.
I feel a little bad.
No, don't worry. Come true anyway.
But no, The one part about it that I love, are down in the crowd now.
Okay.
I'm on stage. Let me do the thing on stage. I just want to be down in the crowd.
Aye.
Yeah, because I have a special set of people.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
I don't deal with the hombres. I deal with the ladies.
Okay.
So I have a special set
The
of
lembres is lembres.
And for me, I call this 55-year carnival.
Yeah.
I call it Tifa Wine Carnival.
Okay.
I thief in wine straight.
Yeah, the thief they can borrow.
No, thief.
Taking it just so?
Just so.
All right.
You understand? When you get that, you see the pleasure of thieving a wine. You hear what you say? It could be water.
Yeah.
It could be rum. It could be anything.
Everything going on.
You say Hennessy.
Yeah.
I
It could
say
be everything.
anything and everything.
Yeah.
So I'm moving through the village strategically.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
And once I move to this village strategically,
Yeah.
You understand? I have Miss Kanagita, that's my favorite +1.
Okay.
I thief in a wine on that.
Okay.
I have Miss Yusun.
Okay.
I thief in a wine on that.
And you calling out the name Bowl on what? You have it so boy?
Boy, I free single and having fun.
No, well, the last time I take that kind of advice, to say you're going from here today. I went from boot to boot and I end up in bed. Mash up. So I had to think about a different plan, boy. I ain't going to that.
You see, but it's your fault. And
No, it's not my fault.
Yes, it could be water.
It could be rum.
Yeah, it could be Hennessy.
I never say who to in my song. So I learned who to.
Yeah,
what up?
Yeah, what up? Yeah, well, that one has happened sometimes.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you, I tell you, Sunshine City is special.
City. Nice.
You understand? You are experiencing something that nobody would from the outside would experience.
Okay.
You see the festival village?
Yeah.
It used to be called the Carnival Village.
Okay.
Where they would be made, all the booths that you see around is made.
Yeah.
You enter the biggest restaurant in the world.
Wow.
You understand? In April.
Yeah.
You understand? Because nowhere else. It's only now lately down on the savannah. Trinidad start.
Yeah. No, well, this year is the first year they do Flavor Village in Trinidad. So it's the same.
Right. You understand?
Concept,
and where you think they get the concept from?
Oh.
It's right here. It's we make that
City.
concept because remember in Trinidad at home, is venue to venue, is fete after fete after fete after fete.
Yeah.
You understand? So your big tune like that,
Yeah.
I could imagine when the season get rough and tough down there, when it's pace, you ain't getting no sleep.
Yeah.
Because you understand?
Yeah.
It's a bus or a driver.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And what I am trying to introduce, what I found from Trinidad, I looking for a double D. And I ain't talking about Cabra.
Okay.
I talking about a designated driver.
Right,
you understand?
Right.
Who ain't drinking, he driving, and he serving, we would think.
That he walk.
Yeah. You understand? So I'm trying to implement that.
Yeah.
So I have one. I have a designated driver.
Okay.
You understand? Her name is
Yeah.
But she driving me, and she driving her, and she's the driver.
Okay.
She don't drink.
Okay.
Well, she said all she want to do is eat.
That is for, oh gosh, well.
Yes.
Sometimes the balance is be a little.
Yeah.
She like to eat.
She like to eat.
So you had to give she big portions then.
No, just make sure she's solid. Because she's solid already. You understand?
Yeah.
With that, you here now and you are experiencing our carnival.
Yeah.
And I hope that you have a great time.
Yep.
But the problem is, next year now, because you see, that's the problem with us artists. When we go somewhere, because you're leaving just now.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, it's true.
So you have one more night.
Yeah.
Literally. One more night.
Yeah.
Which is tonight.
Yeah.
Stay away from Wutup.
Yeah.
Pick your poison.
No, I got Gatorade and water for me, right? Coconut water. I want to get a fresh coconut water. I know if I could get on the island.
Yeah, man, you could get that, man. Once you
fresh.
there by the basketball
court. Not in the can, no.
Make sure you go, but no. I'm telling you where to go.
I went and had a coconut water in a can and it tastes like syrup. I say me, I want
no, man. They got fresh thing on the side of the road, man.
Me know if you had that.
No, you don't go through that. They got fresh thing on the side of the road. When you reach there, you can tell them, listen, I want a bottle.
Yeah.
What you need to.
I want the coconut. I want
no.
They don't have that.
Listen to me now.
I listen.
I'm trying to help you.
Yeah. No, I listen.
You get one fresh bottle of coconut water with just the water alone.
Okay.
And then you get a next bottle that have the jelly in
inside. Okay.
And then you get a next little small portion of jelly by itself.
All of that?
Yeah, man, you could get it so.
You want me to tell the people that? Yeah.
That's the intention. That is the intention. I keep telling you, it could be water. It could be rum. Listen, let me put that back on your Joocie. I know you got things to do. You got places to go.
Yeah.
I just say I got people to do and things to see.
Okay.
So I want you to let the people them know. Bring it back for you one time.
Yeah, man.
Tell them.
Okay, the down there is Triniboi Joocie right now. We live. 105.5 FM, Triniboi Joocie here. We here for Koncert X. Thursday night. What we say? Hear me now. It could be. Oh yes. It could be. It could be, it don't matter where you're drinking. Come out. It could be water. Oh yes. It could be rum. It could be Hennessy. Everything going down. It could be water. Cause it could be road. It could be Hennessy. Everything going down. Why? Cause the bottles over we head. Over we head. Over we head. And the bouncing through the crowd is over we. I find the camera woman looking shy, you know what? You ain't whining on. You ain't whining no one. But you got them wine go. How do you go like dum dum diggy diggy dim dim. Whoa! Dim 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 dim. You say it down on the gong like Thursday night Koncert X Triniboi Joocie back by live band. The band amazing. So here we telling them, I don't mean to be so rude, darling. We don't really watch face. Now you have your breakfast in drinking. We don't know how everything tastes. But he does by the what? We have it here by the case. So if you feel is our problem, well tonight you go know ya. What he tell them to moons say. Send for the punch and bring all the Bacardi.
And we have a place there go punch in.
There's plenty bottles lined up like I seen away from that. We go do it just like the other day. We don't care what King Jim tell them. It could be water.
It could be water.
It could be rum.
It could be rum.
It could be everything going.
Anything.
It could be water. It could be rum. It could be, and you're playing your two hands in the air, so and you're singing it.
Cause the bottles over we head. Over we head. It's over we head.
And I'm bouncing.
Yo, my brother, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming through. I got to go.
Yeah, man.
I wish I could stay here with you longer.
Yeah, man. No worries, man.
I wish we could have had some more time.
Yeah.
But you know what? Tomorrow's the show. And I sing, I have something. I make sure I'm watching him. You see, I'm watching him.
Yeah.
If you could get up tomorrow morning at 8:30, I would make time for you and whoever you decide to bring to the mood in the morning. You hear me, KG? You hear what I say? All right. So
I feel like my spin back tomorrow too, you know, 8 o'clock, you know.
Listen.
All quarter to 8 outside waiting, you know.
No, I trying to take your word, but if this man give you
No,
I trying to. I don't want to hear it. I see you and you tell me, you say, I'm coming.
I tell you, yeah.
You tell me you're coming.
Yeah.
I put confidence in you.
Yeah, well, don't put it back again, man.
And you left that young man joking. You ain't get out of the place. You ain't get out of the place. So I want to, but no.
Yeah, you don't know rehab, what we say. Big up rehab. Speed. It's speed, you know. I had to stay away from that too, because right now the car crashed yesterday, you know, so I had to, you know what I mean? So big up rehab crew, speed. Big up all the family, big up King James, my brother. We're going to have an amazing show tomorrow night. Sure. So make sure you come out, support the thing. Come from early. They say come from early.
Yeah, man. Let's tell people.
Yeah.
Come out or you're going to miss out. You understand? So low.
Yeah, man.
Definitely, Triniboi, thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you.
You understand? I wish we had some more time to vibes, but hey, this is short and sweet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so thanks so much for coming through on the mood in the morning.
Big up the mood in the morning. Thank you for having me. No, man, thank you for the platform, same way.
For sure. It's love alone all the time. That's what we deal with here.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate you.
Bless up.
Welcome to my island because it's mine.
Yeah.
Sunshine City. It is my carnival. They got all kind of president and mayor thing, but me the president, me playing the music.
Yeah, come on.
No, come on. So
yeah.
We appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming through. Happy that King James brought you here.
Yeah, man.
So you get a primary experience at carnival.
Yeah, but
you see and you asked me the other night, oh God, how they got so much woman here? Before you leave, let me explain you that. I'm gonna explain you. Because I don't think King James explain. You know we got two sides of the island.
Yeah.
We got a Dutch side and a French side. Between the Dutch side and French side, we have 145 different nationalities that live here. This is St.Maarten is a super pilau.
Oh gosh.
Right. So
there's a pilau and a paella.
I understand. So being in an island like that, you experiencing something you've never seen in the world.
Yeah.
145 different species.
Wow.
From everywhere. You understand? Angola, Sabre Station, St. Kitts, Nevis, Antigua, Montserrat and Barbuda, Trinidad and Tobago, Suriname, Guadada, Martinique, UK, US of A, America, and of course, Africa people here.
Aye.
All of that is women.
Yeah, wow.
So, if you don't have good eyes,
you can see.
You can lose your mind because it's Bamsi and Parade during Carnival here.
Oh, God.
Yo, my brother, thank you so much again for coming through. Appreciate you. Sunshine City. It's all about Koncert X. It's on tomorrow night. King James and all his friends. You just heard Triniboi Joocie in here. And we going in.